Today we are making a delicious layered 4th of July party punch that is going to be a hit at those 4th of July parties. This is so easy to make. It's just a few simple ingredients. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. So I'm actually going to be making this punch two ways. I'm going to make it just as a cocktail if you want a single serving, or if you want to make it as a big party punch, we're going to do that too. And to get those beautiful red, white, and blue layers, you do want to put whatever has the highest level of sugar density at the bottom of your drink. So I'm going to be adding in 6 cups of cranberry juice. And you want to slowly add everything in. You don't want to just quickly pour it in because then the layers can get a little messed up. So here's our last cup going in. And now I'm also going to mirror it in our glass so we can add in a little bit of cranberry juice so we create a layer in our glass. Next, I'm going to be adding in our bubbles. So I'm going to be using some Pellegrino, but if you like a sweeter drink, you can use 7-Up or ginger ale, whatever's your favorite for your bubbles. But I like this because it's a little bit healthier. There's no calories to it. And we're going to very, very gently start pouring this in. You don't want to rush this. And now I'm going to add it to our glass, just a little bit for our middle layer. Also, when you are making this in a glass, I recommend using crushed ice. It's way easier to get those layers when you're using crushed ice rather than whole ice. But now we have our layer in our glass and in our punch. And now it's time to add some fun. It's our vodka layer. And I know what you're thinking, it's not blue, but it will be. So I'm going to be adding 2 cups of vodka to our punch. And there's really 2 ways that you can make this blue. You can either use food coloring, blue food coloring, or you can use butterfly pea flower if you don't want to use dyes. For the video, I am going to use food coloring just because I really like the color you get. When you use the pea flower, it is a bit of a darker blue color, and this lets it be really nice and bright blue, but it's just up to your preferences and what you prefer. So I like to add a little bit at a time to get the color. Now I'm just going to use one of my straws to stir this up, why not? And this only took 2 drops of food coloring. It's really not much at all, just to get that really nice blue color. And now we're going to slowly pour this in on top of our punch to maintain those layers. And the nice thing with the vodka, it really does stay at the top. It naturally will just float to the top of your drink. But when you are serving this, you might want to give it a stir. I think it's great when people come over and they get to see all the layers, but if you do want to get that vodka, when you start pouring it, you're only going to get cranberry juice. So you do want to mix it together when you're ready to serve it, after everyone can look at it and enjoy it. And now we have to do a little vodka in our single serving glass. So I'm going to do about a shot or 2. Wow. That's so cool. I love it. I love having these multiple layered drinks. If you are going to make it single serving, it's great because you know your alcohol levels. I'm going to do a little taste test of my single serving one because my guests are about to arrive and I want them to be able to see the punch before I mix it all together. I know I'm already messing up the colors. What can I say? It's so good. It's really light. It's really refreshing. It's not too sweet. All the sweetness really just comes from the cranberry juice, but you get that little booziness from the vodka, and it's such a fun holiday drink. So please let me know which version of this drink you try and what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing 4th of July. Cheers! Also, if you want to see another of my 4th of July recipes, they are layered jello shots that are absolutely delicious. The link will be right here.